In this video, I'm going to show you guys some of the products which I have been loving in the month of June. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So yeah, it's already July now, so I just realized I haven't filmed my June favorites. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. I just finished filming this eye makeup tutorial for you guys. It's coming up. So yeah, just go to one more product here. First favorite is like literally this product is amazing. This is PROTANE hair treatment with argan oil, and this product is for all hair types and formulated to help strengthen hair and restore shine, instantly absorbed without leaving any residue. So this product is also alcohol free, and I think you can get it mostly everywhere. This is like leave-in hair treatment kind of oil, so it's really good, and it looks like this. So before straightening my hair, I always apply this oil. So this helps my hair from damaging. And like it says here, hair treatment with argan oil is formulated to help strengthen hair, restore shine, and protect hair from heat damage. So my second favorite is SEPHORA's lemon seed brightening cream. So literally this product is amazing. Like I have used it. Oh my god, today I have applied under the makeup, and like literally it's so good, this cream, and like I am using like all the time nowadays. So this has lemon seed and it is brightening cream, so it brightens your skin. So it's really good. It comes with 50 ml of product, and like the packaging is so good, and like it's really good. You can buy from Sephora, and it smells so good, just like lemon. And like this oil, I think you can buy from any supermarket. I bought from LD. Yeah, I bought from LD. I don't know, I haven't seen in Coles, but like maybe it's there. The next product I have talked about a lot in my tutorial videos. So this is my favorite foundation, like current favorite foundation. I use this all the time. This is my favorite, like current favorite drugstore foundation, I will say. So this is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation. So this one is for normal to oily skin. So I have got like combination skin, so normal to oily skin. So this is for all skin types, I think. So it's really good. It's all like it's normal for people with normal skin to oily skin, like normal or oily skin. I don't know. It will be good for dry skin people. I don't know, like it says normal to oily skin. So it's really good. I am in the shade 322 Warm Honey, and like it's my favorite. So good. It gives such a good flawless coverage which lasts really long too. The next product is a good product. I talked about it a lot in my blogs when I was posting blogs, but nowadays I'm not that into blogs. I am into makeups. So yeah, that's why I'm posting makeup tutorial videos. So yeah, this is SCHWARZKOPH's Extra Care Hair Treatment. So this is hair repair for normal, balance, liquid keratin, yeah, complete nourishment for all hair types. So this is for all hair types, and literally it's so good. So whenever I'm washing my hair, so I always apply this, leave it for a while, like for whole day, then I wash in the afternoon. So this is how I do it. I don't keep it in my hair, but this is a leave-in treatment, so you can just apply like this, but I love to apply this oil afterwards when I wash my hair, but before I use this one. So like I don't like to keep this in my hair all the time, just because like my skin type is combination, so I do get acne a lot. So like I don't apply these kinds of stuffs and leave it forever. So yeah, I don't sleep with this, and like I only apply like from morning and wash it off in the afternoon. So I apply this a lot on my daughter's hair. Like her hair is growing fast now, and like it's really healthy, so I leave this product on her hair all the time. So it's good, her skin is really good, it's so flawless. So she's a teenager. The next favorite is this one by Morphe. This is Hollywood Hills lashes, like I'm wearing at the moment. So this lash is literally wow, my favorite. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's literally so good. I love it. If you guys haven't tried, do try. It's really good. You can find it on Morphe's website. Okay, moving on. The next favorite is this liquid lipstick, Stripped by Makeup Revolution. This shade is literally so pretty, and like it's so nice. It's matte lip gloss. It's so good. Like it's such a pretty nude shade, and you guys must have seen me using in my tutorial videos. So yeah, this is my current favorite. So the next lipstick is a liquid lip paint by Tarte, and this one is in shade Vivin. I always apply this a lot nowadays. Like I apply this, and on top of it I always apply a gloss, and this is really pretty and really good shade for fall, I think. It's by Tarte. Okay, the next favorite is this bronzer by OFRA Cosmetic. This is my current favorite bronzer. I always reach out for this one, like I've used a lot in June. So it's versatile matte bronzer, and it's really so pretty. I always keep in this box. So looks like this. It's really pretty. Also comes with a mirror here, and this is the bronzer. It's really good, and like it's not too dark on the skin, but it's also the way you apply. I always apply lightly, and like it's really pretty, and like it's worth buying. Like if you guys want to buy, that's why I'm sharing here, so that if you guys are interested, you can buy. So the next product is this LOCCITANE serum. So this is a serum which you just mix it with your daily moisturizer and apply. So I mostly apply this at night. So I don't use this cream at night. Like this is SEPHORA lemon seed. I apply in the daytime, but I apply a night cream, moisturizer, which I always apply at night. So I mix this serum with that moisturizer, and then I apply before going to bed. Like this is literally wow, it's so good, such a good serum. Comes like this in a pump kind of thingy, and smells like literally so good. And I think you can buy it from David Jones or Maya. Like it's expensive, but like this is just a sample size. I think I got this sample few times in Bella box already, and I always forget to buy. So this time I'm so into this product, I want to buy this product. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow me around. Social media links are below. And until next time, bye.